Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon. I'm here with a student.
Hi.
We're gonna run through the driving test at a local South Florida DMV. And again, I have to say South Florida is Broward County, Florida, because I get people calling me from Orlando and Tampa and everywhere making driving lessons planned. Unless you're planning to come to South Florida, I cannot give you driving lessons. Just keep that in mind. Alright, so I'm going to ask you guys before I get into this video to subscribe to my other YouTube channel. I have the Sequence Sound System. It's a sound system channel if you're into music, dancehall music, reggae music, sound system. Check out Sequence Sound on YouTube. If you're into cars, my other channel would be Exotic Car Culture. I do car shows. I love cars. I am a car enthusiast. If you're into cars, you would love that channel. This channel is ACC Driving School. Everybody's watching, everyone's not subscribing. I'm begging for people to subscribe, right?
Subscribe.
It's only fair, right?
Yeah.
Y'all getting the advantage of watching the videos and getting the benefits from it. Least you could do is subscribe. Alright, again, I have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website. The website is accdriverseducation.com. Again, that is accdriverseducation.com. That would be the 4, the 8, the 12-hour classes. The 4-hour class that you need before you get your learner's permit on my website is called the First Time Driver class. So if you're under 18, you can do the First Time Driver 4-hour class and the written test on the website. If you want to do the third-party driving test because you've checked every DMV for months and you can't find an appointment, call me at 954-588-8075 to schedule the third-party driving test. Alright, enough of the commercials, right? Now let's get down to the driving test. Alright, so they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
What else do you do?
You put the car in park, and then you pull up the parking brake, and you turn off the ignition.
Cool. Alright, so now they're going to ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. They're doing all of this to make sure your brake lights, your turn signal lights, and your horn is working. They will not take you out in a car if any of those things are not working. Now they're asking you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. They're going to be checking your left front tire. Turn all the way to the right. Again, they're going to be checking your right front tire. They will not take you out in a car if those things, if your tires are bad or if any of the other things that I mentioned before is not working. Once you're done, you're going to straighten the wheel again before you move out. Some examiners will tell you to straighten the wheel. Some of them won't. They will just let you reverse and mess up, right?
So evil.
Yeah, I mean, they're not helping you out. Let's just say that. Some of them will help you, right? But some of them just like, yeah, she's supposed to know that. You know what I'm saying? Like,
That's true.
I'll be like, well, you could have told them. No, they're supposed to know that, Henry. What are you talking about? So yeah, that's the deal. All right, so we're gonna reverse from here. We're gonna go to the left, and we're gonna go through the actual driving test. So she's been practicing, so now she's like really good at it, right?
Yeah, I'm pro now.
Yeah, professional. Alright, so look behind, roll back. When your mirror is past the end of the line, you're turning all the way to the right. Because they're going to tell you to reverse and go left, right? So you look behind. When your mirror is past the end of the line, you turn right. And keep looking behind because they don't want you using the mirror or the camera. Put in drive. Go to the stop sign. We're making a left turn. And remember, the speed limit in the parking lot is about 10 miles per hour. And at this DMV, they are not taking you on the road. There's only one DMV in South Florida they actually take you on the road. Well, in Broward County, Florida. And that would be Margate. They take you on the road for like a minute. Over here, it's on the parking lot. Make a left. And we're going to go down to the stop sign and make a left turn. So we go into the right lane. Make sure you drive in the right lane. If you end up in the left lane for any reason, they will fail you. So we're going down to the end of the stop sign. I mean, they're not. It sounds harsh, but there are just some things that will fail you. If you don't stop, you'll fail. You get me? If you hit the curb, you'll fail. If you drive on the wrong side of the road, you'll fail. So there are things that automatically fails you, but most things will get you some points, right? And you're allowed to get up to 30 negative points and still pass your driving test. So it's really not that bad. Alright, now we're gonna go down into this corner by the dumpster, and we're gonna make a left turn. Squirrels here today. Usually there's like a dozen damn squirrels running around by this dumpsters. It's crazy. You know the park back here? You know the park right behind here. It's a nice park. I saw I'm starting to go there to exercise now. Make it right. Since you left close by, just close straighten up. And stop about here. Straighten the wheel. So now they'll tell you to speed up to like 20 and do a sudden stop. So again, speed up to 20, sudden stop. And stop. Okay. Again, you're stopping like that. The reason for it, because someone asked me the other day, I was practicing and I tell the girl to speed up and she's like, why? I'm like, well, that's because that's a part of the test. That's the number one reason why it's a part of the test. But basically what they're trying to say, if a kid run out into the road chasing a ball, what are you going to do? You know, you're not going to run over the kid. You're going to stop. So that's what that's about, right? Now we're going to reverse straight back. So you're going to look behind. You're not going to use the mirrors. You're going to look behind, keep the wheel straight, and roll straight back. If you're straight when you stop here, then reversing straight back is actually quite elementary. There's really nothing to do. If you notice, you don't even have to touch the wheel because she's straight.
No.
Just let it roll back.
I don't want them to be like, why are your hands not on the
No, your hand have to be on the wheel, but I'm just saying you don't need to do much. If you're straight when you stop, the car will roll straight back. Okay, that's good. Stop. You just have to be looking behind while you're doing it, though.
I did look.
I know you did. Then you stop. So you have to keep looking back. Okay. All right, go down to the end, and we're gonna make a left. Yeah, people mess up the reversing because they keep turning the steering wheel. The point is, if you're straight when you stop the car will go straight back. It's really that simple. Right, so stay in your right lane, and then we're going to park in between the cones. So again, we're going to stay close to the right side, as close to the right side as possible, and you're going to park in between the cones. So you signal left, and you're going to go down. Line up your mirror with the cone. Up a little bit more. Signal left. Turn all the way left. And roll into the parking space. When you get to the middle of the space, that's when you straighten the wheel and you pull straight in. And when you stop, the wheel should be straighten up like that. If the wheel is straight like that when you stop, then you know you've parked properly, right? Alright, now reverse, straight back. And we're going to reverse until the mirror is past the pole. Alright? When the mirror is past the pole, they're gonna say reverse and go to the left, so you're gonna turn all the way right as soon as your mirror is past the pole. And you're gonna back up until the mirror is past the middle of the space. You will see that line there. Go back just a touch more. Yeah, when your mirror is past that middle piece, that middle line, then you know you're good. So put it back in drive. Pull up next to the line on the right side so we can do the 3-point turn. Closer to the right side is always better because that gives you more room. I mean, this car is mad small, so it'll do it regardless. But in an average size car, you'll need to be as close to the right side as possible to use the entire space. Alright, go ahead, turn all the way left. And you're gonna go forward and stop before you hit that curb. Okay, it's good enough. Put it in reverse, turn all the way to the right. And look behind. Look over your left shoulder also. Left shoulder. And then your mirror is past the middle, that's about good. You stop. put it back in drive again. And we're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left turn. So signal left. I did a video earlier myself, I stopped here before and did one by myself. I realized the videos that I do by myself actually do quite well.
Oh. So
I just I mean, I've been doing a lot more by myself because a lot of the people are not getting appointments to come to the DMV, so I've been doing a lot more third party. So I've been actually doing the videos by myself, and I find the videos by myself are actually good. For some reason, people love them.
I know I see, like, it's not, I don't think it's here in the US, but like in other countries, there's this girl that I watch that she has like teens driving while she's like basically this, but they're on the road. So it's not funny.
It's driving lessons.
Right.
I have some driving lesson videos. But you know why I don't do a lot of driving lesson videos? Because when you look at the amount of views that the driving lesson videos get compared to what the driving test videos get, it's very, very small in comparison.
Because they're not trying to get the lesson, they're just trying to get the test.
Exactly. Everybody's trying to pass the test. They don't give a damn about learning how to drive.
Right.
Basically. They're trying to take shortcuts. So yeah, the videos you watch, what about them? They're funny?
Yeah, they're very funny, bro. Like, she's funny. Because like the child, I think the teens are what make it funnier, because like they do like dumb stuff.
I have videos like that, but I you know what's funny though?
But she doesn't post it as a video, she posts it as a reel.
A reel, so she just do like little short snippets.
Short video. Like she probably records a whole video, but she probably clips out
snippets.
The best scenes.
I do long videos. I have a lot of videos on the channel with driving lesson, but the reason I don't post a lot of them, because some of them are very embarrassing to the people. I'm not really trying to embarrass them.
I think she blurs out their face. So
exactly.
It's not.
I'm not trying to embarrass people. So, especially when they're first starting. So I usually don't record people when they're like brand new, because they mess up a lot. When they're actually kind of good and we're driving to the beach, I've done videos like that. Yeah. Anyway, that's the end of the video. You see, she did great. So tell these people to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to ATEEZ. They dropped a new album yesterday, guys.
Okay, that's her.
It's K-pop.
K-pop.
It's K-pop.
Yeah, she's one of those people.
Those. I'm getting out of this car. Joking.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other channels, ACC Driving School. This is this channel. Sequence Sound, my sound system channel, Exotic Car Culture. And thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Bye.